Welcome back to my channel, The Coin Spot. Today is best coins one you want to miss. We're diving into the world of United States coins. Please don't skip this video, so let's get it started. The 1000 Riyals coin, minted in the Iranian year 1389, 2010 CE, is part of a series of commemorative coins issued by the Islamic Republic of Iran. These coins were produced to mark significant cultural and religious events, reflecting the nation's rich heritage and traditions. Overview of the 1000 Riyals coins of 1389, 2010 CE. In 1389, Iran issued several commemorative 1000 Riyals coins, each celebrating a distinct event or theme. Below is a summary of these coins. Eid-e-Qadir Qom, Eid al-Gadir. Obverse. Features the denomination 1000 Riyals, with the inscription Islamic Republic of Iran, and the year 1389, 2010. Reverse. Depicts a stylized representation of Imam Ali's name surrounded by a 12-petaled flower, symbolizing the 12 Imams in Shia Islam. Material: copper, aluminium, nickel. Mintage: 15 million coins. Catalog reference: KM number 1274. Value range: approximately $1 to $1.80 USD, depending on the coin's condition. World Statistics Day. Obverse. Displays the denomination 1000 Riyals, with Islamic Republic of Iran, and the year 1389, 2010. The inscription, Commemoration of World Statistics Day, is on the right edge, with October 20th, 28 Mer on the left edge. Reverse. Features Mount Damavand, the highest peak in Iran, symbolizing the nation's strength and resilience. Material: aluminium, bronze. Mintage: not specified. Catalog reference: KM number 1284. Eid-e-Qurban, Eid al-Adha. Obverse. Shows the denomination 1000 Riyals, with Islamic Republic of Iran, and the year 1389, 2010. Reverse. Depicts the Kaaba, the sacred structure in Mecca, within a 12-petaled flower, representing the 12 Imams. Material: copper, aluminium, nickel. Mintage: not specified. Catalog reference: KM number 1275. Collectability and value. The value of these coins varies based on their condition. Uncirculated, UNC approximately $1.80. Extremely fine, XF around $1.70. Very fine, VF about $1.10. Fine, F approximately $0.57. These values are indicative and can fluctuate based on market demand and the coin's preservation state. Visual references. To assist in identifying these coins, here are images of the 1000 Riyals coins minted in 1389. Eid-e-Qadir Qom coin. World Statistics Day coin. Eid-e-Qurban coin. These images are sourced from Numista, a reputable coin cataloging platform. If you require further information or assistance regarding these coins, thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe on my channel for more videos.